Wait, did you just? Why are those different sizes? Oh my
tape.
gosh!
Nobody was.
Oh, because you made fun of us for drawing the arrows.
Just worry about the outside of
Welcome back to Sailing Miss Lone Star. If you were with us last week, you saw us measure 3 times, put the tape down, and then cut on the wrong side. But don't worry, the part that we cut went under the radar tower bracket and is hidden from sight.
It's about 66 3/4. No. Drill. We need the center punch, which is one of those orange buckets. Drill bit I can find, that's 3/8.
The old hooves. All right.
I don't think we need this.
We've measured out the base of the tower correctly, and now we're putting the bad cut underneath the radar plate and drilling through to make the holes for the bolts. It's like it never happened.
Make sure you use the rustiest 3/8 drill bit that you have. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel good. So good. I got
Loctite. Lock.
We're doing a dry fit versus a wet fit.
It just kind of works to a degree.
Yeah.
So I rate turn this around.
Okay.
So let's
Wanna go that way?
let's move it this way and then over.
Okay. These haven't shifted.
Keep being on the outside or on the inside?
I think the outside.
So like this.
Yeah.
You're fine with that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in agreement.
I don't want to sound like your nagging father, but if you cut your foot in this boatyard, you will come down with MRSA.
Ooh.
What's
Okay.
MRSA?
I've had that before.
MRSA is not something you want to play with.
Almost died.
Yeah, it's. I've been here 27 years. I've seen a lot of people.
Okay.
You know, I actually 5 years ago I got hit by one of our slings, it cut me in the back of my ear,
Yeah.
and before I knew it, I had a boil on the back of my head the size of my fist. They had to slice me open and literally squeeze this crap out of my head. It hurt more than
Right here.
you
We're in
can
the
imagine.
boatyard.
They put me on massive doses of antibiotics, 3 different types, for 20 days, made me sick to my stomach.
Shoes and underwear. What happened?
We lost the drill bit,
Okay.
and it's the only 3/8 one they had.
You need another battery?
I need another battery and I need a Dremel.
The Dremel is a plug-in, so we'll have to
We're gonna have to figure something out.
start the generator.
Yeah, true. We can put the generator right here.
Ready? Where are ya?
Fuck you, trust me, eh?
Yeah.
Whoop. Hey, you know, why did we go visit our friends? Then we always meet at the Irish pub because we got the car. We can go visit them.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, let's do that.
Maybe we. Okay, so I need help flipping this over again.
So tell me what you want. What's your reason?
And then I'll
It'll buff out.
okay. Did it stay up like this?
Yeah.
Right, let's put it down. Okay, if you notice anything with where these holes are placed, you cannot get the nylock washer or the bolts through there. You can see that they're just janky cut it off there, and that these holes are like positioned in different like it's very wonky, just very wonky. And you can see here how poorly it is done. So we're going to take the Dremel and try free up some space on the sides here so we can get the hardware that was applied to work sufficiently.
Come on, Loomis.
We need a tripod for this section. Because
I take everything I ever learned, roll it in a ball and throw it at the sun. I take everything I ever learned, roll it in a ball and throw it at the sun. Sure, I'd wish for fresh, clean, and new. I don't mind my scars and people too. Without my stories, I'd be mighty boring, just a pile of flesh, wanting for nothing, just a pile of flesh, wanting for nothing.
So what's the plan? We're gonna put
I'm
the
trying
back,
to measure twice, cut once.
So we're gonna put the back brackets on,
Yes.
and then we'll slip those in, and then we'll measure out where we need to cut the other ones.
I think we're gonna have to move this back one back a little bit more.
Back.
Well, I guess when we cut a bit off here, it's gonna make it a little bit easier as well. So I just drill the hole on both sides, and then we just put one bolt in.
Yep.
Over it?
Yep.
But you're gonna need that other part to tape it onto this. Hang on to this part right now. Will you find me a big star Phillips head screwdriver?
Yeah, there's
Will you pass me the?
You don't want to put the backing plate on at all?
No, because we're gonna be taking this stuff off again. Man, we had to buy way too longer bolts there.
So we need a ratchet strap to bring this in enough to put the tang into the bracket here, and then this is pinching the boat a lot. So we're putting our brains together to figure this out. What you thinking?
It's in the right place, though.
Yeah. We need to go get that ratchet strap off.
I think we're gonna have to go do a trip to the boats.
Okay.
Really doesn't even stick that far off the side of the vessel. You like that angle?
Yeah.
This height at the top. The sides might be different.
It's the next morning, and we are measuring and cutting the forward legs. We worked hard last night and argued about where to cut these legs, and this is where they landed up. So We've made a tiny little tower out of all of our material. Dale is over here working on the little bulkheads we made for the lazarettes.
Okay, you see how far it needs to go now?
How's that now working in back?
How does this make you feel?